Hashtag how to create and use document templates for travel itineraries and guides. Traveling soon? Airplane don't waste time creating itineraries from scratch. Women gesturing no. Use document templates. Bookmark tabs, they're easy to customize and save you tons of time. Alarm clock. Here's how. 1. Find a template online. Laptop, computer, there are tons of free options. 2. Fill in the details. Memo dates, flights, hotels, activities. 3. Add your personal touch. Artist palette, photos, notes, tips. 4. Share it with your travel buddies. Man and woman holding hands. Document templates are a lifesaver for *. Planning your trip. World map. * Staying organized. Spiral calendar. * Remembering everything. Brain. * Sharing your plans with others. Handshake. So next time you travel, use a document template. You'll be glad you did. Smiling face with smiling eyes.